Hi, I'm Jackie Lutz with the Auto Care Association, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the Rundown.
Coming live today from Duluth, Minnesota. Kevin, I was on LinkedIn and I saw the Market Genie post. It looks like tire sales are actually outpacing repair. Very interesting fact for the summer. I know we got a lot of events coming up, but there's a really important one. It's our opportunity for Right to Repair and voice all that. Can you shed some light on that for us?
Great point. Coming out of summer, the Auto Care Legislative and Leadership Summit's coming up September 17th to 19th. A lot of different things that are going on with Auto Care, especially some of the leadership content they're putting out there. But I think the biggest thing is this is taking place in Washington, D.C. So you can literally interact with the elected officials that control the fate of aftermarket. We talked about Right to Repair, how important that bill is. This is a great chance to help influence that. So if you get a chance, definitely check out Auto Care. We'll include a link in this video, but I'd love you to check it out and see if you can even potentially register. And speaking of which, kind of pivoting to coming out of summer, what's going on? Recently noticed a Google AI mode on one of my most recent searches. I'm sure this is something that's buzzing across aftermarket.
Absolutely, yeah.
From the digital side, maybe tell us about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've noticed a few changes with Google. So they do a lot of like core algorithm updates. So they actually just completed one back in June. We didn't really see any volatility on the repair side, but it's always something we're constantly watching our eye in. And then, right, all things AI, all things Google, right? That's the million-dollar question right now. What's going on with Google? Google has to win the AI race. So we're seeing AI mode. They have the answer engine optimization coming out. So they are leading the forefront. They have Gemini. So there's a lot of really good products that Google's pushing out right now. So definitely pay attention to what's going on. Think about how you're writing your content and just, you don't want to have your head in the sand for AI. Back to my favorite segment, the Feel Good. What do you got for us?
Feel Good this week. I just got to spend a few days at Shop Hackers, which is the Shop Fix annual conference just a couple weeks ago. Got to see a keynote speaker general session by Thomas Andrews, a Shopware customer who is extremely progressive in the industry. He actually gave a really good speech on being the hero of your business. And he's also featured in the most recent version, the most recent issue of Auto Service Leader. There's a really good write-up there of him and his company, CDT Automotive, just outside of Raleigh. So I definitely encourage everybody to get a chance to read that article. And as of today's actual recording for this, it's Thomas's birthday. So we wanted to give Thomas a quick shout out. Always been a great partner and collaborator with us. That's been the Rundown. We'll see you next time.